Hi children, today we are going to do the first lesson from grade 7, plant diversity. I have divided this lesson into 3 parts. Today we are discussing the first part, morphological features of flowering plants. Flowers and fruits naturally come to our mind when we state about plants. Do all plants produce flowers? Pay your attention to the ornamental plants in the garden. I have given you a picture of a garden. You can see different kind of ornamental plants in this garden. You can observe plants with flowers and without flowers. There are different varieties of plants with flowers and without flowers. Do all plants bear flowers? Now you have to engage a small activity to find out whether all trees bear flowers or not. I'm going to give you a set of flowers. You have to name and picture of the several plants are given, although most of them are familiar to you. Certain plants may not be familiar to you. So, first one is gardenia, rose, Idda, water lily, balsam, moss, sal, cycas, lotus, long beans, shoe flower, jasmine, nilkatarolu, beduru or dinaria, curry leaves, cypress, salvinia, coconut. Now you have to do what? Prepare a table by grouping all plants into plants which bear flowers and plants which be not bear flowers. Then I have make a table dividing into two columns as plants which bear flowers and plant which do not bear flowers. Let's see what are the plants which bear flowers. Rose, curry leaves, lotus, jasmine, sal, long beans, water lily, shoe flower, idda, catarolu, gardenia, coconut, and balsam. Let's say plants which do not bear flowers. Cycas, moss, salvinia, cypress, dinaria, ferns are there. Then it is clear to you that plants which not produce flowers and that do not produce flowers in our environment. Plants which produce flowers are called flowering plants. What is flowering plants? Plants which produce flowers are called flowering plants. Plants which do not produce flowers are called non-flowering plants. Plants which do not produce flowers are called non-flowering plants. We are moving to our next topic, main parts of a flowering plant. Observe the flowering plants in your surrounding. There are different sizes. You will observe small plants as well as big trees among them. Their stem, roots, flowers and fruits are also different from each other. Therefore, plants show a great diversity in their sizes and morphological features. But all flowering plants have some common features. Let's do a small activity to find the main parts of a flowering plant. I'm going to give you a small picture of flower. Now you have to label the main parts of this flowering plant. Here is the picture. You have to label it. First one is flower. You can see apical bud, then lateral bud, fruits, leaves, stem, taproot, and lateral root. Can you see a soil layer here? It is dividing this plant into two parts. Under the soil layer, we call that section is root system. Above the soil layer, we call that system into is shoot system. So you can see the root system can be divided into two parts as root, taproot and lateral roots. Root system is divided into two parts, lateral roots and taproot. What are the two parts of root system? Lateral roots and taproot. Shoot system are divided into four parts: stem, apical bud, fruits, flowers. Stem, apical bud, fruits, flowers. This is what I am going to do for today. Thank you.